ERD repairs servo motors like this one made by NSK, as well as all other industrial electronics. We offer a same-day quote on all of our repairs. The EDC-PS1006AB502 is only a part of the Mirra MESA CMP 200mm applied materials polishing machine used in the semiconductor wafer prefab industry. The NSK servo motor is a low RPM, high torque device designed for moving the product from point to point in the process. Here you see the NSK servo motor being tested to ensure proper operation after the repair. At ERD, we can repair your industrial electronic equipment, preventing a costly replacement and extended downtime. Thanks for watching ERD TV. We repair a wide variety of industrial electronic equipment that is backed by our 3-year warranty. If you have any questions, please contact us by phone or visit us on the web at www.industrialrepairstore.com.